Tectum has the potential to 100x over the next bull cycle because of a few key features that it's offering. It is offering a scalable way to scale Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and USDT, and it offers a layer of privacy to these public blockchains. I'm Dennis, and I created Cali Crypto to help you keep up to date with altcoin gems, market news, and TA for all these altcoin gems. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get into the content. Tectum is sitting at 640 within the crypto market. Its current market cap is sitting at 18.7 million. So again, this is a high risk, high reward kind of play. 24-hour trading volume is sitting at 400,000. This is a good sign to me because this tells me that there's liquidity, people are trading it, and that's what I want to see if I'm looking to invest into a project like that is this small. Circulating supply sitting at 4.7 million out of a total supply of 10 million. This is a bit concerning to me personally because when you're an investor, you need to see the tokenomics and understand that if there's a total supply of 10 million and there's 4.7 million sitting in the circulating supply currently in the market, that means there's another almost 5 million coins that will be dumped out into the market, which will eventually dilute price. And then you add that to where the chart is, and you'll be able to tell an interesting story. But let's continue. So overall, max market cap we've reached is sitting at 37.3 million. Again, so we're sitting a little shy below that, roughly 10 million below that, or 20 million, excuse my math. And then all-time low is sitting at $3.05. So we're sitting 30% above that all-time low. So that being said, Tectum is in a really interesting spot right now. It is considered a good buying opportunity considering we're down 76% from its all-time high. One thing I would consider just looking at these numbers is when price action usually over the bear market, price action for alts goes down 99%. And sometimes or 90 to 99% for a lot of these alts. We're currently sitting at 76.4%. And over the last 30 days, Tectum has been down 30%. So this is something that if I'm looking to buy this project, this is something I want to be seeing. There are a few reasons why I'm bullish on Tectum. They are offering a scalable blockchain solution for Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and Litecoin via this interesting feature called softnotes. So if you look at the website right now, you're seeing 0.004 BTC on what looks like a piece of paper. So what they're doing is essentially they're offering a way for you to create and mint these soft notes for free, might I add. So then you can add liquidity. So add your however much Bitcoin that you want to add to then send to other people. So that's a really unique feature. It's almost like me giving you digital cash notes that I can also print off if I so wanted to, and then someone can access that as I give it to them. A lot of people might think, well, cash is going away. Why else would I be using it? Well, one other reason that I'm very bullish on Tectum is because they're offering a layer of privacy to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and USDT transactions. These are all public blockchains. Tectum says, no, we're going to act like Monero, except within our ecosystem, with our layer one, you can now come in and say, hey, look, I'm going to send you 0.004 BTC, and it's completely private because it's within our ecosystem. And that is very, very bullish because then there's two narratives that we're playing on, right? We're offering a scalable solution to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and USDT, and we're offering a layer of privacy to these non-natively private blockchains. So those are two really, really big reasons why I'm bullish on Tectum from a fundamental standpoint. The next question I want to ask as an investor is, how am I incentivized to use this layer one? The incentives that they use is they will actually pay you to send soft notes over to people. So if I send a soft note to you, I will then receive a Tectum for sending you that soft note. Okay, so according to Mexi, the all-time high so far is 17.8. We're currently sitting at roughly $4 for price action. This is exactly what I want to be seeing if I am looking to buy this coin, because look at how much we've bled, right? And this is the weekly time frame. Over a long period of time, if we're looking at the daily, the things that I want to be seeing is I want to see price action come back above $4.50 for me to consider this a deviation of this range low, right? But what you really want to be seeing over a long period of time for Tectum is you want to see an accumulation range. So if price action does something like this, where it sits, let's just say this is its swing low, and it sits like this is an accumulation range that eventually will break out, and then that's when the bull market happens. And it could happen over a longer period of time as well. So again, we're sitting 30% higher than the all-time low, and we still have yet to break out of this downtrend that we're in. So this is something to consider when you're looking to invest into Tectum. Again, from a fundamental standpoint, it looks really good. From the technical analysis standpoint, I would almost give it a little bit of time. But again, if you're dollar cost averaging, it may be a good opportunity to get in now to then reap the benefits over the next bull cycle. The next question I have to ask myself is, what can Tectum do over a bull cycle? So let's go back to CoinGecko. So currently Tectum is doing 18 million market cap. Over a bull cycle, considering that something like Monero went to billions of dollars worth of market cap, and then they're also scaling blockchains that are not natively that scalable. Those two things are really important because scalability and privacy are two huge narratives that happen over the bull market. And to me, in my perspective, I could definitely see something like Tectum doing $1 to $3 billion worth of market cap, which would easily put us at 100x potential for the next bull cycle. So that's my personal analysis and my personal thoughts on Tectum, guys. If you guys like this content, make sure to like and subscribe. I've got a lot planned and a lot more videos coming. Peace.